Do you blow your entire allowance in the first week, then spend 3 weeks completely broke? You're not bad with money. I've helped millions improve their finances, and I'll reveal the unfair advantage you have that adults would kill for. It's the only way to enjoy what you want now while building serious wealth. Every time you get your allowance, you split it into 3 buckets before you spend a single dollar. 60% goes to fun, 30% goes to future, this is where your unfair advantage kicks in, and 10% goes to fulfillment. The fun bucket is exactly what it sounds like. You spend this money on what you want right now. Games, sneakers, movies, whatever makes you happy. But here's where it gets interesting. The future bucket is where you set aside money that becomes real wealth later. You've got 2 options here, and both beat a regular savings account that earns basically nothing. The first option is a high-yield savings account, where the bank pays you way more interest than a normal savings account. We're talking around 4% instead of basically 0. This is perfect for short-term goals, like saving for a car or a gaming PC. The second option is index funds for long-term wealth building. I know you think retirement is way too far in the future and sounds boring, but check out this math. If you invest $50 a month into the stock market, starting at 15 years old, you'll have over $1 million by retirement. And it'll be way more if you increase your monthly investment over time. That's the power of decades of compounding that older people would kill for. Trust me, I'm speaking from experience. I started investing my allowance when I was 7. By the way, if this video is helping you, please like and subscribe. It helps more teens find practical money tips like these. Now let's talk about the fulfillment bucket. This is the 10% you give away to charity. It might sound unnecessary at first, but the point is to build generosity into your mindset from day 1. You get to choose causes you actually care about, like local charities, global organizations, helping a friend who's struggling, or whatever else matters to you. But there is one thing that can destroy this fun future fulfillment system. The number 1 enemy of your allowance is impulse purchases. You see something you want and you buy it, draining your fun bucket in an instant. With no spending money left for the rest of the month, you're tempted to dip into the future and fulfillment buckets. I'm sure you've come across some common traps. In-game purchases are designed to hit you when you're having fun and your guard is down. That legendary skin looks amazing right now, but will it matter in a month? Probably not. Then there's influencer purchases. Someone you follow posts about an amazing product, and suddenly you think you can't live without it. But here's what you need to understand. They're getting paid to make you want it. Just ask yourself if you'd buy it in a store without all their hype attached. Here's the move that saves your fun bucket, the 24-hour rule. When you want to buy something, screenshot it or write it down and wait 1 full day. Then decide if you still want it. Most of the time, that impulse fades, and the ones that don't fade are purchases worth making. The idea is not to deny yourself everything. It's choosing what truly matters and at the same time watching your savings grow. But if 60% of your current allowance doesn't seem like enough fun money, don't worry. Watch this video to start earning thousands on your own without any experience. All you need is your smartphone.